Alright, some things I like to do every day, well, most importantly, is to try to make someone smile, whether it's someone that I know or I don't know. And there is a convenience store down the street from me that I always go to, and there's always this young lady who works by herself, and she's got like 1,000 rocks behind the counter, and they're all painted. And she's got like different sizes, and just they're all different pictures. They're really pretty. And I decided to ask her last week, actually, if she paints the rocks. And she smiled at me and she sat me down and she told me that her story of the rocks was that her best friend had died in a motorcycle accident 5 years ago. And her way of coping and therapy was painting. And she never really thought that she was artistic or anything. And she had given me this rock, which I love. Super cute. It's a mushroom. And it looks just like super homey and cozy. I don't know. But she tells me she's probably given away 600 rocks. And people will come back and tell her that this rock has done like many good things for them. If they had an anxious day or just a bad day, they'd hold it close to their heart. And kind of just keep a good omen with it. And I think it has a lot of like beautiful emotional energy towards it. And this is something that's significant to me now because I will keep it in my purse all the time, and it's just something I can carry around and remember not only the significance to the stone, but also to our conversation that I had almost with a stranger. I didn't even know her name before, and as I was trying to make her day and compliment her on her rocks, she made my day as well.
That was awesome.
Thank you.